Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove the background from any image using Removal.ai. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Chrome browser. Next, go to Removal.ai by typing it into the search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Removal.ai website, you'll see an option to choose photo. Click on that. Now, select any photo from your computer that you want to remove the background from. Waits for a moment. As you can see, Removal.ai has done an amazing job of removing the background from our image in just a matter of seconds. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.